Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. I hope you guys doing okay. I'm sorry for been long time that I never made this video, but I will thank God for everybody who was okay, and I'm praying to all of you to be a good today. And wherever you are, it's a good morning, good evening, and good afternoon to all of you. Whoever watching my video, thanks so much for all of you. And and how you call that? Be I always pray for you guys that I hope everybody with good health for it. And thanks so much for you doing and supporting my video. I know it's not everything is gonna be easy for me. Are you guys waiting for it? And I wish that I can do everything at my best for give you guys. Right now is my day off, so I'm going to with my daughter and my wife to going out somewhere, and I don't know where's the plan for it, but I will try my best to get. And hope you guys join with me for this video and watch my video for all the time. I'm sorry for being long that I never made a video, but I know that you guys doing and watching my video all the time. Thanks so much for your supporting me and enjoying my video. I know more time I have to do it for you guys and helping to improve my video. And okay, it's not now, but I mean it's gonna be one day. And thanks so much for all of your shout outs, Saipan, Guam, Philippines, and especially here in mainland. And thanks so much for the everybody out here in mainland, even in Guam, Saipan, and Philippines, that you guys watching my video. I know it's not really perfect, but I will do my best to share with you what I'm doing here for every day and show more content so I can make it for you guys. So hope you stand by for me for a while, and we're doing with my wife to going somewhere else here, and follow me soon. Have a good day, everybody. Okay na. Tayo. Crystal Spa. Then
oh, sorry. A selfie stick? Oh my god.
Hi.
I already know what I want.
You have a wiper?
Oh yeah. Do you need anything? Yes. Sorry. I'll go grab the rag.
Oh yeah.
And I'll be back with some water for you guys.
Thank you.
Ano order mo siya?
Combination rice ko.
Ano yun?
Yung kanin na merong kalinalin.
Ah, yung kagaya ng order mo dati ng
Yeah.
Ano yung gusto mo din?
Pagkain.
Yung kanin na may kung ano-ano.
Ano bang meron? Wala bang iba? Meron dito.
Gusto mo ba ng noodles na lang?
Huwag naman noodles. Nag-doodles na ako kanina eh.
Parang yun lang meron na nag
Ayun na lang. Yung sinasabi mo.
Burgers and hot dogs.
Ayaw.
Yun na lang. Yung ano.
Yun na lang.
May combination.
Hindi ba pa pang combination?
There's noodle bowls. There's
Ayaw yung dati ng
meron naman yung starter na yung wonton.
sawas din sa
Like the fried.
Ano ba to? Ito na. Ano to?
Parang lumpia. I think that's the
Wala ba silang barbecue?
yung customized na
barbecue.
May barbecue.
Barbecue.
meron.
Yun.
Ano yun? Basta yun? Basta?
Barbecue.
Meron din sila yung beef roll na meron lettuce. Yung parang sa tawag yung
Prongs.
Pero yung karne at saka yung noodle sa lettuce.
Yun.
Yun.
Yun ang
Yeah.
Yun, gusto ko yun.
8, it's the 8-3. 8-3.
A3.
Eh, nakalagay sa start.
Ah, A3.
A3.
Beef. Oh, not beef.
Ayun. A3.
Ilang piraso kaya? Baka po isang tao lang. Ikan ko tapos given ko.
Dalawa higit.
Isa lang. Something else. So, A3 plus para starters lang. Ito. Barbecue pork roast served with fish sauce. Gusto mo rin ba yung ito? Bigyan ko na lang.
Alin? Yung beef roll? Sure, I can try some. Pero marami mong pagkain.
How are you guys?
Good.
Good. Are we ready?
Yes, for now, because I'm not ready yet. Yes, the A3. Okay. And then yours?
Mine's the combination recipe.
Combination recipe.
Yep. And then that's it.
Okay. What about for you, sir? Oh, yeah, that's for them. Oh, yeah. Okay, so for the extra plate. Yeah. Ready for 5? Yeah. Okay, I'll be right back. Thank you.
Ito na wala lang. time. More time.
Pwede rin naman isang soup. Isang soup lang.
Oo. Problema sa soup. Masarap din naman yung soup eh.
Sabihin ka na medyo mainit.
Oo, painitin.
Wag yung parang ramp.
Yung umuusok ka mo. Para ano. Sumusarap? Yan ko na.
Siguro mga sa kanila.
Yeah. At least okay na yung bahay mo. Ang bilis naman na matatapos, November.
Eh kasi nagsimula rin, nag-order na lahat eh.
Ah,
Hindi naman siya ground up.
Nasimulan na.
Yeah. Like, nasimula na yung process ng order at saka yung...
Ready to go.
Yeah. Tsaka meron na siyang concrete gate. Pinatayo pa lang yung foundation.
Just double check. It's gonna just be one combination rice stick, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think around this one soup. Which one is the best?
Our number 11 or number 12 is very popular. It comes with all the meats. Yeah, the number 11 is the dagbiet.
Which one is 11, you said?
Yes, that's our dagbiet combination pho. The only difference is the number 12 comes with filet mignon, if you like that.
Okay. Maybe number 12. Yeah, number 12 is small.
No problem. Okay, that started. Water is okay to drink?
Yeah,
Everyone? Okay.
Pero di niya kataas yung ceiling. Oh.
may second floor na kayo.
Yeah, pero nakakita mo yung ceiling. Ano siya, high
High
ceiling.
ceiling ang ganda nun eh.
So, pag ito yung entrance, ito yung garahe, ito yung entrance. So, pasok mo ganyan kataas yung bubong.
Once in a while, we can just sleep over like Friday night here,
Of
no?
course.
Yeah.
Since you guys are off anyways on Saturday.
Yeah, Friday and Saturday kasi off ni Daddy. So pagkasundo niya sa akin nung Friday afterwards, straight din yun, parang backpacking trip lang.
Backpacking.
Life natin.
It's like, that one requires you to be fit.
I know. Small bowls?
Small bowl?
Yeah.
How many?
Just for the two of them.
Two? Okay.
Ayos.
Wow, mainit nga. Ano ba to? Kidadi ba yan? No?
Para sa po yan, dito yan.
Okay. Kayo, nga, nakabali.
I just wouldn't put the
Ito yung paborito ko. Oh my gosh.
Vietnamese.
Ano pa to? Sa akin ba to?
Yeah.
Sa'yo yan. Akin yan.
You want some?
Of course. A little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit of everything.
Okay. I have two small bowls.
These are small. Okay.
These are small. Sorry.
Because if it's bigger.
Yeah. You guys enjoy. Let me know if you need anything else.
Okay. Thank you. Ang laki ng small bowl eh. Okay.
Come on.
Ito, konti lang. Ang dami naman yan.
Okay.
Sige, sige.
So, yeah. Actually,
Ang dami.
Joke lang.
Lemon. Okay. We're down. Masyadong isolate yung ano nila, yung restroom.
Okay lang, gusto niyo pakain na merong pa tayo.
Hindi maganda.
Ay,
Yeah. Kalang bahay, no?
ito sa apartment.
Ang lalaki ng bahay.
Apartment yan, din? Yeah.
Kaya nga. 3-story yan, no?
Apartment nga, apartment.
May 4-story pa eh. Ayoko
You
na.
wanna go climb 4 stories?
Hindi na bali.
Walang elevator.
No way.
Wow, these are horrible. This is the worst pasta ever. Pero naka-attach pa rin sa bahay.
Where's it?
That one.
Oh, there. Yeah, turn. Ayan, no? Parang house, no?
It is a house. 4320 and that's the one.
Ito ba yung back? Behind back?
Oh, ito.
So I guess it's a home business.
That's something. We're in the home Balikbayan. Hello. Hello. We're going to check the Balikbayan box. Hi. Yeah.
Just one?
How much is it to send it to Philippines?
Where's it going?
Just the
Manila?
yeah, just behind the airport.
I think it's 135.
135.
I think so. I have to double check with the.
How much? I mean, if I fill it up, someone's gonna pick it up.
Where do you live?
I live at the Austin Bluffs.
I got it, baby. I got it. Oh, yes.
Hello po.
Ano di kumakatok?
Paano to? Anong sistema nyo rito?
Manila,
35.
130.
130? Okay, 130.
I need to leave you last year, baby. Hindi now.
Ah, okay.
So,
Pero ano yun, pipick upin nyo?
ako nag-pick up.
Kayo na pipick up.
Ako lang.
Teka, tawagin ko lang yung misis ko sandali. So ilang araw ang dating bago 1 month?
Ito pang Christmas na to, kuya.
Ganun?
Ang September pang Christmas yan, medyo matagal.
Ganun?
Kasi season yan eh. Seasonal ngayon eh.
Season pala kami. Emily.
Direct ba ako? Direct ba ako?
Hindi ako.
Sino?
Baka ako yung nag doorbell.
Direct ako ngayon?
No. Baka yung anak ko.
Sino?
Baka iba. Kami yung nagpunta kami rin direkta.
Paano nyo nalang? Hindi ko kayo
Hindi, kasi kahapon nag-check ako sa online. Sabi ko sa anak ko, alamin mo kung saan.
Pero hindi pa kami nakipag-communicate.
Hindi pa kami napag-communicate. First time namin actually.
Kasi may event ako eh. Ang tawag ito, photographer din ako pag kailangan ng photographer.
Grabe.
I know, at saka, may event ako,
So,
nagpo-photography
paano
ako.
yun? Let's say, paano ba yung timing? Kunwari lang, gusto namin for December. Kunwari for December. Dapat ilang buwan
Ito yun, ngayon, aalis siya September 15 dito.
September 15 ang alis niya.
Colorado
Ang dating
Springs.
niya,
Christmas na yan.
Christmas na. So, dapat targetin na natin na bago mag September 15.
Kailan kayo, may mga ano number nyo?
Sep-
Number nyo?
719.
Kasi, dali ha, paring ako kayo. 719,
233.
ayan, dito next ko.
Ayan.
Follow nyo to,
Uh-huh.
ando dun yung mga schedule ko.
Okay.
Ang pick up ko Tuesday and Thursdays.
Tuesday and
Last
Thursday.
pick up ko September 11. So, ang
Okay.
north side, laging morning yan, evening, pahapon na, pa-south. Saan ba kayo?
Austin Bluffs kami.
Austin Black.
Oh, North
The
Bay.
retreat of Austin Black.
Morning ka ako nagpipick up from 9 to 12.
9 to 12.
May pasok ka.
Hanggang 3 p.m. ako eh.
Pero pag Friday off siya.
Pag Friday off ako.
siya. Pag Sunday na doon lang naman ako sa bahay.
Oh, yun
Yung
lang.
Monday to
Ano
Thursday
ko,
lang ang, araw ka ba nag-pick up?
Tuesday and Thursday. May
Tuesdays
pasok.
and
Walang
Thursdays.
natatao sa bahay.
Wala.
Wala.
Ilan ba ako kunin mo?
Dalawa na sana para
Isang balit at isang paray niya.
Okay, sige.
Para bukod na. Bukod na. Ay, sandali, magkano nga ba yun?
130. Mura.
Oo.
130.
130 mura. Parang LBC lang siya.
Hindi, sa LBC 75 ba? 70?
Hindi,
70?
75. Hindi.
Sa LBC, hindi sa site.
Hindi, sa Saipan. Galing kami sa Saipan. Yeah.
Doon kami, matagal kami
Kayo
doon.
dito?
March lang, this year.
Ito lang.
Oo.
Work? Teacher?
Accountant.
Oh, wow. Accountant pala.
Oo.
Yan.
Yan. So, $10 mag-isa. Iba.
Tapos, iba rin yung bayad
May cash ka ba?
pagkapuno na.
Oo. Tapos,
Zero shit.
130 each.
Wala akong kasi.
Manila. Tapos, ang pipilapan nyo lang dito, full name, address nyo rito, yung abroad, at saka phone number.
Parang medyo nalungkot na kami sa Saipan.
Okay na.
Yawan ko.
I got the balik bayan back. Sir, kailangan ka doon. Tawag ka doon. Wala kang Bemon. Bemon. A very big box. We're going to send to Philippines.
You know, that was the one that I was gonna get the cottages before I got the apartment.
That one? Mahal na rin daw dyan. Ang mahal na.
Saan yung bahay mo?
Huh?
Saan yung bahay mo?
Hindi. I can show you later. But that was the apartment that I was gonna get before.
Ayan,
Yung
I got the
apartment na
number yung kanina
yung
inano
apartment
to.
dati.
Whose number yung kanina? Kay Kuya.
Sa kanya.
Sa akin.
Yung photography, ano ko rin page.
Sige. Kilala mo si Amy Davis?
Davis.
Photographer din yun eh.
Amy, yung ano, yung may photo booth din?
Oo.
Oo, yan. Nakilala ko lang siya nung last Saturday yata.
Nakita lang namin siya doon sa, saan ba yun?
Sa Target.
No, Super Target. Na, gusto ko ako.
Yeah, na-meet ko siya last Saturday.
Sabihin sarili nilang bahay to.
Either that or renta. Ewan ko. You're supposed to flip that.
No,
You're supposed to. She can't flip it out.
Gusto mong trabaho yun.
What you call this? Sa car wash, yung bago sa harapan ng bahay. Like, sa, what you call this? It's right by Texas Roadhouse.
Yan na, ayaw akong trabaho. At saka yung ano, yung promo. Tapos wala naman tumitingin man lang sa'yo. Sa takan ng salita.
You're normally supposed to be flipping that around. And I just walked in, I was like, I need a money order. Like, what do I need to do? Come on, this 7-Eleven, this is where the robbery was happening. Where is it?
When was that?
Huh? Oh, there we go, there we go.
Okay, now we're going down to my daughter's house for show the house tour. I mean, and very nice the house actually, and she's doing a perfect place and peaceful area. And look at this. Somehow I didn't know it's a very wonderful place here. A lot of things happen, so she got a good idea and decision for this. And now she's showing us the place of their house that she chosen. And I really, really happy for her what she had. And let's see what kind of house that she's showing. show us the house that she should sell. Very pretty house. I really love it. Show me the house. How the price. It's got a perfect place. So nice house. And even me, I was surprised when I saw this. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Congratulations. Your
Thank
daughter
you.
made an awesome choice.
Yeah.
Front door is unlocked, so you are welcome to go through.
All right, thank you.
You're gonna show them the house too, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
You bet.
So you said it's bigger than this?
No, it's 3 4 bedrooms, but it's the same.
So ganito itsura niya. Wow. Ang ganda.
Gusto ko yung like ganyan.
Ang ganda na.
This,
Wow.
right?
Nice.
I like this part.
Wonderful. Napakaganda. Ang ganda ng patio.
It's gonna be the same bigger lot. Yung lang.
Wow. It's a view of the house. Okay pa na.
Okay, so the labas is bigger.
Maganda.
It's gonna be bigger.
Yeah. Sa mo hindi yung lot ni Rochelle kesa
Ah.
dito. So,
So this is 3,000
yung
almost 4,000.
pinakabakod niya mas malaki.
Oh, ganda.
Kasi ano lang to, almost 4,000
Eh,
square
syempre, ano lang ito eh, parang...
Pero yung sa kanya is 4,500 square feet.
Well, yung
So
isang
yung size ng house will be the same. But the size of bakod is not.
Pero yung isa kasi, yung sa akin 4 bedroom yung 3, this one's a 3 bedroom.
Ah,
Same
3 bedroom
model
to.
pa rin.
4 bedroom yung size.
Ah, kaya mas malaki.
No, same model.
Same
Same
model.
size. No.
Ganda.
Pero yung lock, mas maliit, mas nagiging bedroom. Oo.
Ganda. Nice. So...
Tapos ito yung pantry. So this is like a bar area, tapos meron din dito. So this is the pantry.
Oh, nice. Ang laki. Paborito ni Rochelle.
Pantry.
Ito. Ano ito?
Storage room namin. So hindi niya yan.
Ah, okay, storage to.
So under the stairs.
Saan yung taas?
Ano po siya to? Alin?
Ang ganda.
That's the garage. That's what's the garage.
Nice. So it's a high ceiling. And this is the rooms up here.
That's why
Look at it. Wow. Ay, may living room.
Pero gagawin, so yun ang sapatos tayo dito. Yeah, it's fine. It's a model for a reason. Yeah. So this one is not gonna be a loft. It's gonna be a 4 bedroom. So this
Laundry.
is 4 bedroom.
A bathroom. Nice. And the another bedrooms. And the wardrobe. Nice.
Sige, pag 4 bedroom.
No, so this is
One more bedrooms. And the wardrobe. Mhm. Nice. And there's a view out there, huh? Very nice view. Oh, wonderful look. Wow. Nice.
So this is the guest bando. Tapos ito lang yung guest bedroom. Magiging 4-bedroom siya. So, dalawa lang to. Tapos pangatlo dun sa kabila. Parang meant for a child, no? Yeah. But we can make, I was gonna turn it into an office.
Another big bathroom. Wow. And the laundry. And the lounge. May lounge pa, no?
Loft, yeah. Pero hindi to kasama. So, magiging 4th bedroom siya.
Hindi yung ganito.
4th bedroom. So, hindi ng kama. Dagdagan mo lang ng
Sana ganito na lang ginawa mo.
Titirahin ko kasi hindi pwede.
Kaso naka-program yung isa na yun na 4 bedrooms lumabas.
But also, the thing is, sabi ng realtor, usually mas madaling ibenta.
4 bedroom.
Yeah.
Ano?
Mas madaling ibenta. Pag 4 bedroom.
Sabagay.
Pero meron pa naman akong ganito. Ito pa rin. Meron pa rin siyang ganito.
Meron pa rin siyang ganito. Set ko lang ang mawawala. Okay. Okay pa rin.
And then you come here.
Okay pa rin. So, ito yung master bedroom.
But this is the mech room. So the utility room.
Okay.
Ito yung water heater. Water heater, sorry. This is the furnace. And then here's the linen closet.
Wow. Master bedroom.
So this is the master.
That's
Nice.
wonderful.
And here's the...
Pero yung company mas malaki, no, Shell? Naka here.
Yeah, it's fine, that's fine. This is still bigger.
And then the TV will still be here.
Yeah.
Ganda, oh.
Oh.
Pero gusto ko yung mga bintana niya.
This is a king size bed too.
Parang ang iksi ng bed nila.
It's just a model.
Yeah, I know.
So this one has a closet. Or a linen closet. So it has its own. Parang hindi na kailangan pumunta sa labas.
The master bedroom and the wardrobe. Wow. Ang laki rin ng wardrobe.
Kailangan yun.
Ay, nice.
Ito yung shower, oh.
Ang ganda.
Ito yung
Tapos pwede mag-side AC view.
Yan, maganda ang pagkakagawa.
Kita-kita yung mukha mo rito. Struggle ka. Nice.
Pero meron may upuan na si Twin Shades and stuff.
Kaya, ganda. I think the
Wow.
bed is the master bedroom. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
Nice. So, ang aircon centralized na?
That's for people if they need to take something.
Yung aircon centralized?
Yeah.
That's
Central
right.
area.
Meron siyang vento.
Ventilation everywhere.
Meron siyang aircon vent.
Also, they did say there's AC running through the top too, so that's AC.
Ayos to, ah. Video ko habang dumi-dumi mo ng dalay.
Ganda.
Nice.
So, meron ka pa rin ganito, okay lang. Okay lang to. Kung yun lang ang mawawala, okay lang. Kasi meron ka pa naman ito eh.
No, we don't.
Okay lang.
Okay lang, kahit
Parang ito yung kapihan.
Ano namin kasi, like, the plan was, kung loft lang, ang gagawin namin office to.
Okay.
kwarto dito. Balik ko may kwarto dito. Labahan.
Yeah.
Banyo. Kwarto. Maganda din.
Ganda.
Tapos dito lang yung parang relaxing coffee area.
I was gonna put the black sofa over here.
Pwede. Dito yun. Oo, yung black.
Ganda.
So we have a small coffee table.
So nice.
Nice pala na.
But it does a really good job of canceling noise not coming through. So.
Galing mo. Kabayo pala to. Ang ganda niya, oh. Kabayan tumatakbo.
Yeah. Mahirap yan. Art yan. And look at that horse running. Ang ganda ng pagkakagawa, anak. Overwhelmed ako dito sa bahay mo, kaya pala nabubuang, ha?
Ang ganda. Idea na rin natin yan dito sa bahay natin, no?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yung pata.
Yun lang pag sa Pilipinas, think about how humid it is every day.
Wow.
Baka umamoy.
Usually the reason why there's carpet is for like heat.
For the snow, yeah.
Pilipinas, mas maganda kasi sa Pilipinas tayo.
Ano ba yan? Pagkakukul sa kanila. Yes.
Okay.
Parang batayin ko pa, ano? Very compatible. Ang ganda.
Aliwalas. Maganda na. Ramdam ko agad yung aliwalas.
Very, yeah.
Kasi ano eh, nakaano siya sa liwanag.
There's a lot of windows over there. Mas maganda kasi mukha siyang high ceiling, or it is high ceiling. So, nandyan yung...
At saka, yung high ceiling na part there, ang ganda.
Oo. Ganda. Ang galing ng hagdanan nila.
Kasama na rin yung mga chandelier and stuff. So,
Part na rin yung, pati chandelier.
iba yung chandelier. So, yan, katama yan. That's the actual chandelier. Iba yung sa dining room, iba yung chandelier.
Ang ganda.
Yeah, I think this is enough for coffee area to relax with your sofa and whatever.
Okay na yan.
Kasi laka naman ng
Saan gawa? Anong gawa ng design na to? Anong design?
It's called Sydney.
Huh?
Sydney.
Sydney? Oh, karamihan ganun Sydney na.
No. That's the name of this model. Yung may-ari ng builder, yung builder.
no, the
Which one?
design.
The design is called the Sydney model.
It's not a standard
Diyan ba tayo, Peterson? Peterson.
Wait, dito.
Maganda, nak.
May parking.
Yeah. Sarap umupo.
Yeah.
Let's go. Pero yun yung topic dito.
Aha.
Kailangan po na yung kapatid ko. Kailangan mo. Saka ano yung paa. Ay, hindi. Tracking pala. Okay lang. Pero kailangan. That's the one thing I like about it. So,
It's gas. It's not electric. So apoy. Gel light.
yeah.
And the griddle is also for pancakes. It's very big.
Perfect.
So this is a griddle.
Yeah.
The griddle and stuff.
And, yeah. May bahay rin ba ito?
Hindi. Isa lang yung bahay sa baba. Isa lang ang Ito na. Yung haba yung sa kabila. Here. You can use it for the you can use it.
It's a wonderful house that very nice here in Colorado. Yeah, all those neighbors. I was there overlooking, and
For guests. For guests, yeah. This is where they put it. Yeah. Wala akong telephone dito. Yan pala.
Yan. Pero sila ng paglalagay ng bato, saka ng
Even the draft. Kahit kung ano yung road is
oh. Pero sa loob, yung parang gano'n. Yeah. Oh, naligulo.
Pero hindi ba,
Yung garage nila, ano de, ginawa lang opisina.
Oo.
Pero ito yung garage.
Pero hindi ba hindi ba malakas ang ano rito? Ang hangin?
Huh? Yeah, that's the thing. There's not really much mountains, but it's okay. Yeah.
Pero walang tornado ano rito.
Hindi tornado. It's not the tornado area.
Bundok pa rin ang buong Colorado Springs eh. No?
Yeah. So,
I'm not for tornado.
So